Alright, welcome to a new video. We're at London Charing Cross today. In front of me I've got a 465. And I've got some mad fancy stuff going on.
Safety announcement, please mind the gate between the train and the platform edge when boarding the lighting from trains.
Thank you.
Train doors will close in 30 seconds prior to departure. Do not attempt to board trains while doors are closed.
Thank you. Anyway, I've got a very, very fancy looking badge that I've got to wear. There's a networker in front of me. Behind that is a 376. And behind that is 707. And then there's a networker just over there. You can't see it, but it's over there. And there's a 466 over there. Oh, off it goes. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I didn't notice it was leaving. How didn't I notice that? Off goes the 376 and the ground is shaking because of the train. But it's so cool. I've never train spotted here before, so this is new. So anything I have to do to show that I've done it? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I've got City Beam. It's a City Beam. Sorry, distracted. On the side of a City Beam. Goodbye 376. Right, who's leaving next? Or who's arriving for that fact? Anyone? Oh, I see an Aleki Star. I mean Electro Star, I call them Aleki Stars, I don't know why. It's a weird name I have for them. But yeah, if anyone questions me, I've got lanyard to show that I've got priority to be on the platform. It's weird because it said they do platform tickets. I guess this is the platform ticket then. Guess it's the way you describe a platform ticket. Oh well, I have no idea. But anyway, here comes a train. Class something. And I don't know when that City Beam's leaving. But anyway, here it comes. Arriving into London Charing Cross. It's going to switch. No, it's going to come straight past me. It's going straight on my right. It's a 375. Don't know when Mr. City Beam over there is off. There's a networker arriving as well. Here comes a 375, 905. Only 905. Oops, City Beam's off. Bye bye. Now the network is in the way. Grrr, get out of the way. Goodbye 375. Come on, I want to see the City Beam. Come on, I want to get the City Beam on camera. Get out of the way. There it is. There we go. I think I got it. I don't know if I've got it. Yeah, I got it. Phew. Off it goes. Bye bye City Beam. So 707. I think it's 001 and 021 with a service to Gravesend. And there's Mr. Mike. I'm joking. I don't know his name. Still, just felt like making up a name for him. There's nothing moving at the moment. Oh my god, Charing Cross, what have you done to me? I've sent an Electro Star is hiding somewhere. Yeah, this is quite cool. must admit. Got a fancy lanyard to wear. Bruh. There's a pigeon on the train. I don't know if you can see it. There is a pigeon on that 465. Why is there a pigeon on the 465? There's a pigeon on this networker. I hear a train. Another city beam arriving. I think it's 707020009 arriving. I've got 1 hour, but I won't film the whole time, obviously. Maybe I will. Pigeon. I can't believe I've got something so fancy. Oh, hello dispatcher. As a dispatcher, that's my job. Bruh. Caught red-handed. Now the dispatcher's gone on the train. That's a bit weird. But anyway, pigeon. I'm filming a pigeon because there's nothing else better to film right now. There's no trains to film. Hello, pigeon. Okay, now I'm going to film some trains. Come on. 466. I can't believe there's a 466. In between. Well, sadly, the 46. Oh? Hopefully something comes into 5. That'd be nice. Maybe something will go into 3 when this network is gone. Networker. And fun fact, there's actually another pigeon going on the train. Bruh. Funny. Is that me being whistled at? Film the network as doors closing. Beep, 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 beep. Here we go. Please stand clear of the doors. Four 66037 with 465907 with 465155 forming a service to, I don't know, I think it's Gravesend. I can't be certain. I think it's Gravesend. Let's see if it's on the back. No, it's not. Oh yes, it is. Dartford. Service to Dartford via Bexley Heath. Which is all good. All's good in the hood. That way. 465 that's still just sitting. There we go, my first asking about permission. That was it. Nice dispatch guy. Lovely London Charing Cross dispatches. I can't believe there's so many falls. Is that 707 off already? It's only just got here. No, the signal's red, so it can't be off already. There's 2 pigeons behind me. They don't matter for the video. I can't believe it. I just got granted access to London Charing Cross Station through the use of Network Rail. Right, pigeon? Alright, mate. Alright, I'm gonna call them Dave and Bob. Don't know why. Dave and Michael. Bye bye, Dave and Michael. They're gone. Oh well. They weren't really keeping me company at all. Just wandering around, as pigeons do. And then there's a plastic bag. But anyway, we've got a 376 arriving. 376012 at the front. Well, this direction, obviously. That's 376012 there. Not seen one of these for a long, long time. The last time I saw one of these was when... oh yeah, Cannon Street. Yes, the other day. Cycling past and I saw one. And this one? Who's this one? Should be able to read it from here. 376024, I think. Forming an arriving southeastern service into London Charing Cross. I do like these trains. Let's film the doors opening. I don't think I've done these. Bro. Oh, I missed it all. So I was filming just this one door. It's a bit stupid. Now the dispatch has got on again. So good. I'm trying not to film people. I'm not really in the mood for it today. And the doors are closed. Doors closing. Now every door in this section, except in this 5-car section, that door's now shut. Which one's the dispatcher going to open? 6. Bruh. Ooh, Sandwich via Dover. Come on, dude, open a door. Helicopter. I'm following that guy because he's going to open a door in a minute. Actually, no, I think that's the driver. Is that the driver? I don't know. He probably isn't. Here we go. He's going to open a door. Maybe this person will open the door closer. Big Ben's going off. Lovely. That's weird. Why's Big Ben going off? What time is it? Oh my god, it's 2 o'clock already. Wow. Doors closing. Oh, I think it's leaving now. Red. I don't think the Dover one's leaving. I think it's another networker. But there's an Electrostar arriving. All good. I hope it doesn't photobomb. CD. No idea what that means. Yep, the network is leaving. It's an 8-car 37 something. Yeah, because I called it a 37 something, it's going to get annoyed now. Yeah, it's going to photobomb me. No! No! (375,701) at the front of this arriving service, and there's a 465 leaving, which we won't be able to finish because of this 375 here. Oh well. Kent Air Ambulance Explorer. Yes. What's at the back? 708. 701's so dirty, what the hell? How have you made it so dirty? Alright, here it comes. Can I get any of that networker? Or is it already gone? It's already gone. And there's 708 at the... Gonna get that out of the way. Maybe City Beam's leaving. No, City Beam's not leaving, but I think this guy is. Dude just arrived. Not that guy, obviously. Not 701 and 708. They're not leaving.
The announcement that these lines go between the train and platform H with boarding and lighting from trains.
There's an S and an R there. Probably standing for South Eastern Railway. It's a very interesting station, Charing Cross. Must admit. Surprised I haven't train spotted here more. There's a train coming. What is it? Networker. 465009. 465009 at the front of that one. Yep, the 375 is about to leave. Here it comes. It's a 4. Once that's gone, I'm gonna... This is so cool. Ooh. It's a 466 at the rear. Here it comes. Stand back. Where's it going? Ramsgate. 375-905 with the service to Ramsgate. Bye. London Eye. Service to Ramsgate 375-905. Forming a service to Ramsgate. I think via Sandwich. Don't know if that network on platform 4's moved yet. Though platform 3 is allowed to go, which means we should get a shot of the 707 leaving. But I got to keep an eye on the time because I've got to go at 2:50. Why? Because that's when my pass expires. How'd the dispatcher guy get off? Oh, there he is. He's there. Fun. They've got a good job. Must admit. Now the one's at the front shut as well. Yeah, off they go. And it's about to depart. Now he's got to do his dispatching job. This 376 has taken a rather long time to leave. But this guy's got to wait. He's got to wait. .012 at the rear and 024 at the front, forming a southeastern service to... where are you going? Forming a southeastern service to somewhere via Sidcup. Dartford via Sidcup. If it goes... goodbye. Hey, 466, how you doing? Zoom out. There we go. Perfect. Pictures. Man, this has been interesting actually. You know, the driver's getting in the front of the 375, 708. He's got to shut that door as well. But you can do that from the inside, which is good. Just gonna set it up. That's gonna go somewhere now. But nothing better to do. Except film this 375. And mind, something's leaving. Who is it? Who is it? Is it this guy? Or the city beam that's over the far side? Who is it? You? Or you? Not you, 465, sorry. It's the city beam. I'll let you know where 375708 is going. Once I've filmed it. No, still setting up the cam. Off it goes. Whoop. Oh, I love a city beam. Surprised there was no declaration I had to sign before getting this pass. I just needed ID and then to take a photo of me. I definitely will be back to do some more train spotting here. Definitely. It's just different, you know. Every station's different. Hastings! It's going to Hastings. You won't be able to see that, but it says Hastings. Oh, before I forget, what's the date today? 27th of August 2024. I'd just like to give a shout out quickly to, well, everyone who has subscribed to me. Thank you, and I'd like to give a special shout out to Trainer 2023 and Harry Easton, the train spotter, because, yeah, I feel like giving shout outs, I don't know why. Give a shout out to all who are following me. Yeah, basically you're all awesome. Hi, Mr. Mike there. And his... Oh, this is going to be a cool shot. This is going to be cool. This is going to be awesome. Here we go. Woo woo! 465028. And a city beam. Let's go. Sadly, we won't film the city beam because the 465's in the way. It's got a wooden shoe beam. What the? Off it goes. Bye bye. Ah, there's the city beam. Oh my god. Tunbridge Wells, wow. Hastings via Tunbridge. Lovely. Pan round. Huh? Now what's going on? Where's he? Oh my god, he's making it look nice. So cool, I've never seen this happen before. Oh, they're going awkwarder. That is brilliant. I'm sorry, but that's just brilliant. I'm sorry. Now 375708 is going to look really nice. It does, but yeah, you might want to sort out your white bits. Yeah, you kind of got a trickle. Sorry, 375. That's cool. I'll take a picture. Picture! With the S and the R in the background. 5 and 6. Let's get a picture. Let's get a picture with the network in the background. Lovely. Page. St Leonard's Warrior Square and Hastings. 8 coaches. 14:15. 2 minutes. No. More than 2 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and then the 375 is going to leave. Oh, it does look amazing. That building in the background. I wish I could step on the track and take a picture. It just looks amazing. Sorry, but you can't help it. Is there another train? At least it's a train that time. Man, does that 375 look cool now. It looks like a bird's pooped on it. Oh wait, it has got a bird poo on the bottom of it. It's funny. It's ironic. Hey, there's an electro star coming. Hello. My friend, hello. Oh, you've got a green light. Oh, it's only tiny 4-car train. I don't know when this dude's leaving. This dude's not leaving for a while. 1 minute, wow. Is he stopping? Is he just going to come charging through a red signal? No, he's going on platform 6, that's what's going to happen. And he's come to a stop. He's waiting for this dude. This guy's gonna be off. Let's see. Green. So they need to go. And he's off. He's off. Bye-bye. Goodbye. 708 at the front, forming service to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells, with 375 708 at the front. Wow. Can you get a shot with the London Eye? Yes, I can. Did I miss it already? Yeah, I did. 708 at the front, with 701 at the rear. Can I get a picture with the 465 in it? Hold on, can I get a picture with the other one in it? Just about, I reckon. So get past each other. Just pictures. Yeah, shout out to everyone who's ever subscribed to me. You're brilliant, thank you. And I can't thank you all enough for 237 subscribers. Yeah, may success come to you in all of your YouTube stuff. Is he going now? Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. Whatever. The 375 or 377 is coming. You see, the Electro Star is approaching. I don't know why it didn't just go into platform 6. There's nothing there. Okay, here it comes. 377517. Forming this arriving service into London Charing Cross. Hi, dude. Oh my god, it looks so... What the hell? Oh, it's interesting. Because... That looks amazing. Is there a guy just chilling in the back of that 377? I think there's a guy chilling in the back of that 377. Oh, that's funny. That's actually funny. And come to a nice, gentle stop. Who's going? I think there's 465, 466 combos going. Okay. Right, let me get up to here. What number is it? Okay, so at the front is 466014. By the way, people. 466014, and there's an Electrostar charging into London Charing Cross. Slow down! Let's get this zoomed out, there we go. Oh, I missed the 465 number, oh well. There's been so many trains, what the heck is going on? Okay, 375802 forming this arriving service. Wow. A lot of trains for 31 minutes. Oh god, dude, slow down. Please slow down. For your safety, please stand back from the platform edge. The 375802 is going very quickly into the station. Oh my god, best view of a city beam I'm gonna get all day. Nice. Best city beam view ever. That guy hasn't even noticed me. The dispatcher on the other platform hasn't even noticed me. Please stand clear of the doors. This train is ready to leave. I know he's going to lock his doors. Is he? Is he going to lock them? I beg nothing photos bombs this brilliant shot. Aeroplane. Planes and trains. There we go. No! Move, City Beam, quick! Something's coming. Oh no! Something's gonna photobomb now. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, 376. Really? 707003 at the rear of the City Beam with 707023 at the front. Let's get a picture. There we go. Nice. There's the city. I'm just gonna City Beam. Photobombed. Unbelievable. Unbelievable 376. Absolutely unbelievable. Oh well. Who's forming this arriving service? 376, 013 at the rear and 016 at the front. Oh yeah, I can still see the City Beam. It's just there. Bye bye. Okay. Now 1420. And that 376 is just coming to a nice, gentle stop. Lovely. Beautiful. Yeah. Shout out to everyone who subscribed. Yeah, I mean, this channel wouldn't still be going if it wasn't for people who subscribed. Honestly. And the London Eye is moving very, very slowly round, as it always does. We're more focused on the trains. Who cares about the London Eye? Bruh. Not as fast as these things. That 377's not turned around yet. I bet you something's going to come into platform 3. I bet something's going to come into platform 3 any minute. Do not touch the live rail. Yeah, duh. Under Charing Cross. I'll be doing a few train spotting videos at points. I'm only allowed here till 14:50, so I've still got time. Yeah, I've got plenty of time. I've got to the right way around. I'll be 1 second, guys. Just keep filming this 376. Hope something makes a racket. Never mind. I'm not going to make it. 376! Yay! There's a 376 arriving into platform 1. 376020 at the front, with God knows who at the back. Because I'm not going to be able to see that because I'm all the way on platforms 5 and 6. But they do have room for someone to arrive onto platform 4. So I'm going to look. Nothing's coming. I think this is the most interesting video I've made in a while. Oh, and that funniest video I've ever recorded, that video was just a big joke. Really? 5. To Ashford, I think. Yes. Otford? What's the east? London Bridge? Wow.
This train has 4 coaches. Platform 5, London 1429, Southeastern service to Ashford International via
Otford. Many seats available on this train. Yeah. Well, 1429 is in a few minutes. So I'm going to end this video here with the note that that one over there, that 377, is it 377? Yeah, the 377 will leave in a minute. Oh, he's doing his thing. Yeah. Yeah, with that I'm going to end this video here because it's already got to 38 minutes and 1429 leaves in a few minutes and my phone is buzzing. Why is my phone buzzing up? Hello? Yeah, everything's fine. I've just got this really fancy lanyard because I had to do some sign-in thing with give them my details and stuff and what I was doing. Yeah, Charing Cross. So that's the way you do your platform tickets thing. You have to give your details.
Platform 5 will be the 1429.
Yeah, 3 o'clock. I've only got until 14:50 anyway.
Otford. Calling at Waterloo East, London Bridge,
Okay.
Swanley, Otford, Borough Green,
Bye.
West Crawley, Maidstone East,
Bye.
Bearsted, Hollingford, Harrietshire, Lenham, Charing, and Ashford International. This train
Now it's
has 4 coaches.
really echoing in the station. Wow, that's amazing.
29 Southeastern
Seven Oaks via Lewisham.
via Otford. There are usually many seats available.
Oh well. gonna make another call, but you know, like you do. Yes, so. There's a train. I hear a train coming from over there. It's coming down the middle? No, it's not coming down the middle. Where's it coming from then, and who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, here we go. 466021 at the front. I hope you don't leave anytime soon. I'm filming this networker. Okay, 466021 at the front. With who's next? So 466 022. Wow, 021 466 022 466 and 465 188. Be an 8-car train, I reckon. This is 466? No. Anyway, here it comes. We're arriving into London, Charing Cross. Come from somewhere. Southeast done. And now we're going to pan around because I believe the 377 is about to depart. Love that. Love the network door sounds. Yep, the 377's about to leave. Lovely. No. Another train coming. 466 at the front. Do another 466, make it 10-car train.
The next train to depart from platform
6.
will be the 1434 Southeastern
1434.
service to Ramsgate
Via
Canterbury West.
Canterbury West, lovely.
Calling at Waterloo East, London Bridge, Sevenoaks,
Bye bye. There was 2 people in the front of that train. And there's a person at the back. Let's do it. 377 517 with the service to Ashford. He's doing his guarding thing. Did he just do a Japanese point? I think that guy just did a Japanese point. Oh, I love those Japanese pointings. It's amazing. 376 should be leaving fairly soon. I'm not going to end the video because I'm going to go up till 14:50 on this video. It'll be about an hour. To start off, or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. No one cares. Really? Does anyone care about that anymore? Oh gosh. Sorry, just trying to open my water. And failing to do so with the camera in my hand. Oh well. Just film this train leaving. The driver's just taking a stroll down the platform. 465. Is that 376 leaving yet?
The next train to depart from platform 6 will be the 1434 Southeastern service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Calling at Waterloo East, London Bridge, Sevenoaks, Tunbridge, Paddock Wood, Arden, Staplehurst, Headhall, Buckley, Ashford International,
You know what? I'm gonna get a picture of the 376 as it leaves the 465.
and Ramsgate. This train has 4 coaches.
4 coaches.
Platform 6 from the 1434 Southeastern service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West.
Oh, I see an Electro Star. Class 3 something. 37 something. It's gonna go down the middle. You going down the middle or are you coming to the right? You're coming to the right. You might come into platform 5. Yeah, you'll be coming into 5. Southeastern, so it's 2, Dartford. Bicycle.
It's a safety announcement. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding and alighting from trains. Train doors will close 30 seconds prior to departure. Do not attempt to board trains.
Here it comes. 375611 at the front of this terminating service. That's 375611 at the front with quite a long train. Oh, it's ended. 375713 at the rear. So 611 and 713 at either end. Just had a random thought. Oh well. Here it comes. Is it going to stop near me? London Charing Cross. So there's 713 pulling in and come to a stop. Good. Yeah, if you want me to do things like fan meetups or something, I'm happy to do so. Oh, hello. This guy's off already. Ramsgate via Cant West. Good. Ramsgate via Canterbury West is 375802. Is he going to give me a wave? He's doing a phone call. What's he on the phone? Why are you on the phone? Focus on driving a train. That's probably why. Probably why he goes so fast. Because he just goes on the phone. It's bad. Very bad. I didn't know 802 was leaving this soon. That's 375802, not the 802 train. I might leave in a minute. I'm starting to get very hot out here in the sun of London. Finally. So yeah, I might leave in a moment. I'm not sure yet. I'll wait one more train then. Do one more train and then I'll leave. Because I actually... there's something else I want to do. I have other stuff I'd rather do than film for an hour straight. So is train gonna come down the middle? No. Maybe another city beam will arrive at some point. 465. I hear a train thundering. I see a shadow. Who's it gonna be? 707? Let's go. 707010. Arriving. That's 707010. At the front of this beautiful City Beam train. I love a City Beam. I'll do a train ride on one of these at some point. With 707025 at the rear. They have have no pantographs. Still. Put them in a pantograph. Give them a pantograph. You gave the 375s a pantograph, for Christ's sake. Oh, very squeaky. Oh, hello. 376029 at the front. But this train's leaving as well. Woo! Why's it got a wooden shoe beam? Oh, trees. Weird. That 465 is leaving. 376028 at the rear. Oh, he's going to be in the way, isn't he? Damn you, train. Damn you, 376. Going away my 707 shot. Now you're getting rid of my 465 shot. Oh my god, yeah. Sure. There we go, there it is. And it's gone. And I didn't get to film. Big, big sadness. Actually, this will be over an hour, so... yeah, I might leave in a moment. But where is this dude going? Get a picture of that 375. Oh, that's blurred. Shall we get a picture? 6 in it. First I'm going to find out where this dude's going. If it's somewhere interesting, like not somewhere that I've already seen, then yeah, I'll wait for this. Nope, I've seen this. It's Hastings. Hastings is the destination at 375. I might actually leave now. So, with that I'd bid you all farewell. With 375713, I now bid you farewell. On your service to Hastings. Goodbye. And to you viewers, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Sorry, forgot to show you the train. And there it is, London Charing Cross. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.